Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start your Mazda CX-30. First, prioritize safety by gathering your jumper cables, safety gloves, and eye protection. Make sure both the assisting vehicle and your Mazda CX-30 are turned off, in park or neutral, and have their parking brakes engaged. Before connecting anything, visually inspect both batteries for any signs of corrosion or damage. Remember, only use a 12-volt booster system to avoid damaging your vehicle's electrical components. Now, let's connect the jumper cables correctly. First, take one red positive cable clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your Mazda CX-30 dead battery. Next, connect the other end of the red positive cable to the positive terminal of the assisting vehicle's good battery. Then, take one black negative cable clamp and attach it to the negative terminal of the good battery. This sequence is crucial for safety and proper current flow. With the positive and negative cables connected to the good battery, it's time for the final connection. Attach the remaining black negative cable clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Mazda CX-30 engine block or chassis, away from the battery. This provides a safe ground. Once all cables are secure, start the assisting vehicle and let its engine run for about 5 minutes. After this, try starting your Mazda CX-30. If it doesn't start immediately, let the assisting car run for another 10 to 15 minutes before trying again. Once your Mazda CX-30 starts, it's important to disconnect the cables safely and in the correct reverse order. Begin by removing the black negative cable from your Mazda CX-30 unpainted metal surface, then disconnect the black negative cable from the assisting vehicle. Next, remove the red positive cable from the assisting vehicle, and finally, the red positive cable from your Mazda CX-30. After successfully jump-starting, drive your car for at least 20 minutes to allow the battery to recharge sufficiently. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.